Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another Jurassic World toy unboxing. Today, we're taking a look at what's inside this large Walmart box. I've been ordering a few dinosaurs off of walmart.ca. There's been a few cool new molds and new Camp Cretaceous figs that have been coming out. So I'm doing a lot of shopping online nowadays, mostly because of different stock issues, as well as I just want to secure some of these figures just in case I can't find them out in stores. And Walmart.ca has various different figures from different prices. The newer ones are usually cheaper, but for some reason, when a figure gets too old, they go up in price on Walmart, of all places, which is odd. But anyways, we're going to see what's inside this package. Hopefully it's something exciting. Saying that, all Jurassic World items are exciting. So, let's just pop it open and take a look inside. Oh, they're in new packaging. Look at that. It's the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous / Primal Attack Albertosaurus and Sarcosuchus. These guys are figures that were released in the Jurassic World Primal Attack toy line. And you can see that is the logo for Primal Attack. But what's odd is they have been repackaged in a new Camp Cretaceous Jurassic World branding, which is interesting that they've got both logos on the packaging instead of just Camp Cretaceous or Primal Attack. So I'm assuming these are a re-release. When I saw them on Walmart.ca, I was assuming that they were the Primal Attack packaging variants, and that's why I jumped on them, because I didn't have these figures yet. And when I saw they hit stores in Camp Cretaceous packaging, I was interested to see if these figures would be in the Camp Cretaceous packaging or in the Primal Attack packaging, and it turns out they came in the Camp Cretaceous packaging. So these are pretty neat figures. As you can see, they've got a very nice splash of orange on both of them. This one, the Sarcosuchus, has orange along the side of its body, along with hints of red and purple, and some really cool blues and whatnot. And it's cool to see the Sarcosuchus released again as a repaint, as it's a really cool figure. The Albertosaurus has two other variants as well on the market, and this one's a little bit more bland in comparison to the other two. It sports this kind of orange stripe leading down from the snout all the way to the back where the legs are. There's no other additional paint job on the legs or back. It's just a solid green. It does sport some beige on the underside of its jaw and the underside of its body and neck. And the arms have quite a bit of articulation, and they're a little rubbery plastic. On the back of the packaging, it shows the action feature of these dinosaurs. One's a dinosaur, one's a crocodilian, and it shows the other in the toy line. So this is really neat. Another interesting thing to note is the Camp Cretaceous Spinosaurus features these two figures on the back of the box as well. And this means that these ones have come out in a lineup together, and if other locations get the Spinosaurus, I'd assume they're also getting these guys in their Camp Cretaceous packaging. So that is pretty wicked. Very exciting unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye bye.